Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood freelancer. Ready to work from anywhere, be your own boss, and make money online? Freelancing might be the perfect path for you. In this video, I'll share powerful freelancing tips, generated with the help of AI, to help beginners start smart and succeed faster. We're talking about building a sustainable income stream on your own terms with nothing but your laptop and some hustle. Sound good? Let's dive in. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is waiting to learn everything before they even start. Start with what you already know, whether it's basic writing, design, editing, or even organizing data. Seriously, you'd be surprised how many people will pay for someone to organize their inbox or create a simple spreadsheet. The key is to package your existing skill as a service and improve it while you're working. Think about it. You'll learn way faster when you're actually doing the work, right? Plus, getting paid to learn, that's a win-win. Platforms like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork are your new best friends. Find something you're comfortable with, put your own spin on it, and get started. Look, I get it, you want to take on any gig that comes your way, especially when you're starting out. But let me tell you, freelancers who try to be everything to everyone end up being nothing to no one. Instead of being a jack of all trades, become a master of one. Pick a specific niche, like Instagram post designer, SEO blog writer, or Shopify VA. Clients are more likely to trust someone who specializes in their specific need. By focusing on a niche, you'll attract better clients, command higher rates, and build a reputation that precedes you. Trust me, it's way better to be the go-to person for one thing than a mediocre option for a dozen. Your profile is your storefront, your online first impression. You could be the best freelancer in the world, but if your profile screams amateur hour, you're not getting hired. First things first, ditch the blurry selfie and get yourself a professional-looking headshot. You don't need to hire a fancy photographer, just use good lighting and a clean background. And for the love of all that is holy, smile. People want to work with someone who seems approachable and friendly. Keep your bio short, sweet, and confident. No one wants to read your life story here. Just tell them who you are, what you do, and what makes you different. Use client-focused language. Instead of saying, "I am good at writing," say, "I help brands grow through engaging and persuasive copywriting." Don't wait, apply daily. Alright, here's where most beginners drop the ball. They create a profile, sit back, and wait for the offers to roll in. Let me tell you, clients aren't just browsing through profiles hoping to stumble upon yours. You need to be proactive. Make it a habit to apply to at least 5 to 10 gigs daily. The more you apply, the higher your chances of landing a gig. But here's the catch. Don't just copy-paste the same generic proposal. Customize each one to the specific client and project. Keep your proposals short, specific, and problem-solving. Address their pain points directly. Highlight your expertise and offer a solution. Start small, build fast. Look, I know you're eager to start charging top dollar for your services, but hear me out. In the beginning, focus more on building trust than on making a quick buck. Think of it as an investment in your future success. Don't be afraid to start with smaller, lower-paying gigs. These are your stepping stones to bigger and better things. The goal here is to accumulate positive reviews and build a solid reputation. Over-deliver on every single project. This doesn't mean working for free, it means adding a little extra value, like delivering ahead of schedule or offering a bonus service. Your 500 rupee project today could easily turn into a 5,000 rupee per month client next month if you play your cards right. Use free tools to look pro. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy software to produce professional quality work. There are tons of free tools available that can make you look like $1,000,000 without spending a single rupee. For design, Canva is your new best friend. Need to polish your writing? Grammarly is a lifesaver, and for managing your projects and staying organized, Trello is a game changer. Use ChatGPT to help you generate client messages, polish your gig descriptions, or even draft content faster. The point is, there are no excuses for delivering shoddy work when there are so many amazing free resources available. Use them to your advantage and watch your freelancing game level up. Never stop learning. The freelancing world is constantly evolving. What's in demand today might be obsolete tomorrow. That's why the most successful freelancers are lifelong learners. Make it a habit to invest time in your professional development. Watch free YouTube tutorials, take courses on Skillshare, or attend online workshops. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become, and the higher rates you can command. The more you learn, the more value you can offer. So what are you waiting for? Start learning something new today. Your freelancing journey starts now. Freelancing isn't just about making money, it's about building a life on your terms. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment. What freelancing service are you thinking to start? Let's build this community and help each other succeed.